Hello everyone. Karnataka government has recently introduced Karnataka's compulsory gratuity insurance rule 2024 through a notification dated January 10, 2024. These rules aim to provide financial security to employees by mandating employers to obtain gratuity insurance. Today we shall discuss the key provisions of the compulsory gratuity insurance rule 2024. Firstly, it is necessary for the employers to procure gratuity insurance as per the prescribed timelines, that is, existing employers have to obtain insurance within 60 days from the date of commencement of the said rules. New employers have to obtain insurance within 30 days from the date of applicability of the rules to the establishment. The gratuity insurance can be procured through LIC or any other legally incorporated insurance companies in accordance with the prescribed laws. After obtaining insurance, the employers need to register with the controlling authority within 30 days of the obtaining insurance. For registration, Form 1 is required to be filed. In addition, Form 3 is to be furnished with the details of employees insured at the time of registration and thereafter whenever there is any change. The other relevant compliances include renewal of premium on a timely basis, that is before lapse of the policy, and intimation to controlling authority within 15 days of renewal. It is to be noted that the controlling authority can recover gratuity amount directly from the insurance provider. Exemption is available from obtaining insurance to certain employers, which, that is, employers with an existing approved gratuity fund or employers employing 500 or more employees who establishes AGF. It is to be noted that such AGF needs to fulfill the requirements prescribed in the rules. Also, the employers adopting AGF arrangements have to submit an application in Form 2nd. In conclusion, the new rules intend to provide employee security. However, at the same time, these changes will result in additional financial and compliance burden for the employers. I hope you found the information in this video useful. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.